How you doing, my beautiful Jays? Welcome back to my home and Happy New Year's to you. Happy 2019. I hope that this new year find you in the best of health, joy, inner peace, and brings a lot of blessings for you. And anything that had happened in 2018, you look at it as a learning lesson for you to move forward to 2019 and maybe say, I will never do that again, or I can do this better. So being that said, I just want to say thank you for your love and support throughout the year 2018. And beware, because this mamita right here got goodies coming up in 2019 and a lot of things. And one of them is that I became a paparazzi consultant. Yeah, so I'm looking forward to, build my business up in that direction. So if you don't follow me yet on Facebook, please check the description box below for the information and, go follow me there because you don't want to miss up the future life. So being that said, let me just jump into this haul, which is a Walmart haul. So if you love coffee like I do, then you're going to love this coffee mugs I found on Walmart. Now, they're already putting things up for Valentine's. So I found this little coffee mugs, which they are cute. And, for you people that do coffee bars and stuff, I think it's nice. So I got two of the mine and yours, which I think is so cute, guys. And the only thing is they were $3.88. And what else? It says wash the mug before using. So yeah, and it's called Mine and Yours. And this is way to celebrate Valentine's month gift set. So that's all it says. They don't have no name brand or nothing, just that. So I picked two of those, so that's one. And this is the other set right here. So then I got these. They had another set, but I don't remember what it said. But this one says, good morning, gorgeous. And the other one said, hello, handsome. So, yeah, again, $3.88, you can't beat it. Then I picked up this little notepads, which I think they are cute to write any note you need to keep it in the cards or to give them as gift. Now, this one is for like t-shirt. It says best t-shirt ever, which is so cute. And it has this design on it with the black and white and then the gold, which is so cute. And then the apple in the bottom. And this is, trying to see how many papers it has in it, but it does not say. Yeah, it doesn't say, but it was $1.98. And then I picked up this one. It says, thank you for helping me grow, which I think it was beautiful. And it looks like this. I think this is my favorite. And I love the pen. The pen looks so gorgeous. Let me just take it out. Look at the pen. It's so nice. And it has that little, ribbon right here so you can hold the pen together. So very cute. And last but not least, guys, I had to pick up some candy, and I love my toffees. And I picked them up. I picked 3, so I already ate 1. But that is my haul for you guys. Again, guys, thank you for your love and support. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do so by subscribing, hitting the bell notification so you will get notified every time I load a video. And welcome to my home. Mi casa es tu casa. You are welcome to come by, take a pic here and there, stay if you want, or just scroll by. It does not matter. We love you here no matter what. So, saying that, I thank you for your love and support in the year 2018 you gave me, and looking forward for your love and support this coming year. So, being that said, I see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.